The river Mami gave the barrel woman a fish. But one rule was easy to break. In the quiet village of Ajat, a poor woman named Mama Busy sold barrels in the local market. One evening, while washing by the river, she helped an old woman who had slipped into the water. The old woman smiled and revealed herself to be the mysterious river Mami. She gave Mama Busy a magical fish and said, "This fish will bring you food and prosperity. But you must never boast about its power." For many months, Mama Busy lived happily and quietly. Her family never lacked food, and her business flourished. One market day, people asked how she had become successful. Proud of her good fortune, Mama Busy told everyone about the magical fish. The next morning, the fish had disappeared from its bowl, and the blessings were gone. Mama Busy realized she had broken the only rule. From that day on, she worked hard again and taught everyone that true blessings should be received with humility and gratitude. Moral: humility protects your blessings, but pride can make you lose them.